All right, here's an example of a more difficult conversion. We know that it takes 1 year for the Earth to travel all the way around the Sun, and I looked up, it's 940 million kilometers around the Sun for its orbit. And I want to know the speed in miles per hour. And here's the conversion factor I'm going to use. So we're going to start with 94 million. And I'm going to just do some of that to start out with. 940 million kilometers is 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.4 times 10 to the 8th kilometers. So that's my gift. 9.4 times 10 to the 8th kilometers in 1 year, so per year. Now, let's get rid of the kilometers first. So over here I see 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, so I want the kilometers to cancel. So I'll put 1 kilometer on the bottom, 1,000 meters on the top, on my kilometers. Now I have to get rid of the meters. So I see 1 meter is 3.3 feet. I have to put meters on the bottom. So 1 meter is equivalent to 3.3 feet. Now the meters cancel. Now I got to get rid of feet. 1 mile is 5280 feet. So I'll put 5280 feet on the bottom, 1 mile on the top. Now my feet cancel, and I'm left with miles, which is what I wanted because I want the answer in miles per hour. Now I have miles per year, so I have to get rid of the years. Now years is on the bottom, so my conversion for years here is 1 year is 365 days, so I put 1 year on the top, 365 days on the bottom, and now the years cancel. And then I want to get to hours, so my conversion for that is 1 day. So I'll put 1 day on the top to cancel the days on the bottom here, and 24 hours on the bottom. Now I have hours on the bottom, so I have the right units. Now, I said estimate, so I'm not going to use a calculator. I'm just going to kind of round these numbers to say one significant figure. So this 9 times 10 to the 8th, or 9.4, I'm going to make 9 times 10 to the 8th. And then 1,000 is 1 times 10 to the third. 3.3, you round that to say 3. And I have miles. Divide that by. On the bottom I have 5280. I can make that 5 times 10 to the third. I have 365. One significant figure, that would be 4 times 10 to the second. And then 24, 2 times 10 to the first. And then this is in hours. So now I can pull out the scientific notation, the powers of 10. I'm going to get 9 times 3 times 10 to the 8th third, and then over 5 times 4 times 2. And then I'm going to take these powers of 10 from the bottom and bring them up to the top, change the sign. So 10 to the minus third, times 10 to the minus 2, times 10 to the minus 1. Now, there's a couple ways I could go from here, but I might look at this. 4 times 2 is about 8. 8 is about the same as 9, so I can cancel those. And then 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So now I have 0.6. And when I add my exponents, 8 plus 3 is 11, minus 3 is 8, minus 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So it's 10 to the 5th. So then, that's not proper scientific notation, so I might move this over 1 and make this 6 times 10. I made this bigger. 6 is bigger than 0.6. I have to decrease the power of 10. So to the 4th. Miles per hour. Now I actually want to put that in regular notation just so I get a feel for it. So that would be 60,000 miles per hour. So the Earth is going around, and we're actually traveling right now at 60,000 miles per hour as the Earth goes around the Sun. Now I looked up the actual value, and it's close to 70,000, so we're certainly in the right ballpark.